In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently update your public profile on Etsy. Whether you are a seasoned seller or a curious buyer looking to personalize your experience, these simple steps will guide you through the process smoothly. Let's dive right in to get started. First off, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Etsy website. This is the main hub for all things Etsy, where you'll find everything from unique handmade crafts to vintage treasures. If you haven't already, be sure to sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Etsy homepage, which displays a plethora of options and inspirations for your shopping or selling needs. Now, to proceed with updating your profile, you'll need to head over to your personal profile. Look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll notice an icon that represents either your profile picture or a generic user silhouette. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu that provides several options. Locate and select Account Settings from this menu. This selection will direct you to a new page filled with various settings options tailored to personalizing your Etsy experience. Within your account settings, you'll see a range of different tab categories steadfastly designed to enhance your interaction with Etsy. These include privacy settings, preferences, and most importantly, for today, your account settings. Here, under the Account section, you'll want to find and click on the Edit Public Profile link. This link is crucial as it allows you to fine-tune how others see you on Etsy. Editing your public profile involves updating your personal information visible to other users, including your bio, profile picture, and any personal highlights you'd like to share. As you update your information, reflect on how you wish to be perceived by fellow community members. Select a profile picture that embodies your brand or personal style and craft a compelling bio that captivates readers. This is especially important if you're showcasing products, as a well-rounded profile can enhance buyer trust and engagement. Once you have thoroughly reviewed and satisfied the new look of your public profile, don't forget to save the changes. The Save button is typically located at the bottom or top of your profile edit page. Clicking on Save ensures that all your hard work is not lost and that your updated information reflects accurately on your public profile. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully updated your public profile on Etsy, showcasing a fresh and personalized look for all fellow users to admire. Remember, periodically revisiting your profile to make necessary updates can help keep your online presence vibrant and engaging. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your Etsy experience. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy browsing and selling on Etsy.